Peace family, Esikhomesteddah Homesteading here, you guys. More free mulch. Alright you guys, so y'all know I've been waiting a long time to get some mulch, but now that I'm getting this mulch, I think it's gonna be never ending. Alright, so the tree guys that called me the other day, they was like, Miss Essie, we got another load for you. And they just dropped it off, and y'all can see that this load is much bigger than the first load. And we definitely been using that first load a lot, and it has been very useful. This load here is not as red as the first load. I don't know what type of wood this one is compared to that wood, but they both smell good. So this one over here has actually been cooking down. It's a lot of heat in there, so there's a lot of microorganisms going on in there. And this one here, I don't know what kind of tree this comes from, but it's kind of, to me, it doesn't have as much moisture in it as the first load that we got. So, but again, it smells good too. But it looks like it's good, clean mulched. And what I noticed with this one is I don't see a lot of greenery in this one, and that might be a good thing, because sometimes if you see a lot of greenery, it could be some seeds in there. So right now this is looking really good. I have to continue to figure out ways to get it moved around the yard. I have so many ideas on what I want to do right now. And I say hello to Mink. Mink, say hello. So there is so much that I want to do in this area right here. So I'm very undecided on if I'm going to extend the orchard downward like so, and maybe bring it around like so, within those trees right there. Something that can do well with shade. I'm not sure which trees though, but very undecided on how I want to fill up this part of the yard. I was thinking about doing the no dig method with several rows. Definitely thinking about doing that, but then there's this part of me that want to fill it in for like family purposes, possibly a pool on this end, or maybe on the other end. I think the other end will be better because that's where the sun is mostly throughout the day. So I think the other side of the yard will be great. But yeah, you guys, this is what the extra mulch is looking like. Free mulch. Essie finally getting mulch, y'all. So I got mulched again. All right, family. So definitely leave me some comments. Y'all give me some suggestions on how y'all think I should use this. But there's this part of me that want to use a lot of this in the greenhouse, because I'm going to be improving my greenhouse, because as time goes on, it gets worn out. So I'm going to be actually adding some wood around the bottom framing of it, and just improving it. It seemed like I'm sorry you guys, something else caught my attention. The greenhouse framework is still good, but it's a little bit wiggle waggly like with the wind and everything. So I want to get it more sturdy, and also get a door on it instead of rolling up the tarp. That was a quick fix for us, so that is the plan. So I may move a lot of this mulch into the greenhouse. There's this part of me that want to extend and possibly bring another greenhouse in that direction, or place 2 more greenhouses in that direction. I can go back. I can also do that. I can go further back with another greenhouse and just attach it. So there's a lot of options that I have, and I'm still undecided on exactly what I want to do. So yeah, you guys drop me a line, comment below, give me some suggestions on how you think I should use the mulch. But there's multiple ways of using this great black gold. It ain't black gold yet, but it'll turn into some black gold. So definitely comment below. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And Esikhomesteddah will see you guys on the next video. Peace.